Hazrat Sayyid bin Jubair narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up amidst us to deliver the sermon and said, verily you will be assembled on the resurrection day, barefooted and in the nude as is in the Holy Quran. As we made it first, we shall restore it. This is a promise on us. We shall necessarily do it. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 104. On the resurrection day, the first one to be clothed will be Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. And verily, some of men of my ummah will be brought, and they will be held from the left side by the angels deployed for torment. I thereupon will say, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, they are my companions. So it will be said, you don't know by conjecture what they did after you. I thereupon will say, what the pious bondsman Hazrat Isa alayhi salam said, and I know of them as long as I remained in them. Then when you took me up, then you were the watcher over them, and everything is present before you. If you punish them, they are your bondsmen, and if you forgive them, then undoubtedly you are only the dominant, the wise. Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 117-118. The reporter states they kept on retreating on their heels. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6526.